Hello guys, it's me, your girl Ida here again. Today I'm going to take you through how to apply GoTranscript. GoTranscript, it's a transcription company which pays well. Therefore, I would advise you to work on it. First of all, you will Google GoTranscript. Therefore, you'll come here to sign up, create an account, looking to be a GoTranscript freelancer. Then you click visit here. After that, it will take you to apply now. You can see it is paying well. It is paying $0.60 per audio minute. Therefore, in average, you can earn up to $150 per month or more, depending on the working hours. Therefore, we apply for English or any other language that you are comfortable with. Therefore, we come here to sign up. Here to sign up, you'll put your email. After you have put your email, you will put your email. Then after that, you'll put your passwords. After you have put your password, you'll be able to sign up and you'll go to a grammar test. You see, you will be taken to the grammar test. So apply for transcriber position. To apply for transcriber position, you must complete quiz 100% correct using our guidelines. Each question can have one or more correct answer. Therefore, you have to pass all these questions for you to go to the next test. Okay? Question 1. Question 1, choose the correct spelling. Go transcript, go transcript, go transcript, go transcript. Even it's here on the top. Go transcript. So our answer is D. In question 2, which tag should be bolded? In our guide, it has been stated in number 8. No, number 7. Everything with a timestamp, that is pause, all this that has timestamp should be bolded. Nothing else beside the speaker label and marks with timestamps should be bolded. So everything with timestamp and speaker notes, speaker labels should be bolded. Therefore, everything with time codes should be bolded and the speaker label. Those are our answers. In number 3, files are transcribed in. In our guide, we are told that we should transcribe all the files in, we should use US or American spelling. Only use different spelling if a client asks. That is in the comment. Use Grammarly. Therefore, we should use files are transcribed in Australia, no, American English, unless the client states otherwise. This is our answer. British, no, Canada, no. What do you have to do when a person agrees on something? By saying yep or okay in clean verbatim. In clean verbatim, if a client says yep or okay, we should write it as okay. Never spell okay or okay. It must always be spelled as okay. Yep, must be written as yes. Okay must be written as okay. Okay. There are dash good books out there. There are good books out there. There was no. There is good book out there. No. There be good book out there. No. There are good book out there. In number 6, which sentence is correctly capitalized and punctuated? Yes, Anna, full stop, you can do this. No. Yes, comma, Anna, you can do this. This is the right answer because in C, yes and yes are in small letters. And you can't start a sentence with the small letters. The correct forms of affirmation for full verbalism is, for full verbalism, the affirmations are as follows. Use these forms of affirmative or negative. The affirmation in full verbalism are mm, mm, and ah. This one they are negative and this one is negative. So they are just three. This one, and this one. Therefore, when you come to our answer, it's this one, and this one. This one is not, this one is a negative, this one is a negative, and this one is a negative. Okay? This one is a affirmative, this one is a negative, and this one is affirmative. So our answer is A. If there is a combination of single-digit numerals and all other numerals in the same sentence, for example, I have 1 pen and 15 pencils, how will you transcribe it? I have 1 pen and 15 pencils. No? Okay, when it comes to transcribing numerals, from number 1 to 9, we should write it in words. From 10 upwards, we should write it in numbers. So 1 should be in word. So I have 1 pen and 15 pencil. Up to here it's correct, but 15 should be in numbers. So I have 1 pencil and 15. I have 1 pen and 15 pencil is the correct answer. If you are working on the part of 15 or 5 to 15 minutes time stamping, every 30 seconds should start at. We'll come here to time stamping. You see? They're saying always consider the whole file when you are time stamping. For example, if you do the 20 to 30 minutes part, your time stamping should start at 20, not 00. Therefore, hours it will start at 5, not 00. So this one is the correct answer, but it should be in bold. This one is not the correct answer. This one is the correct answer since we are starting at the 5th minute. This one is not in bold and it is 00. This one is in bold but it starts at 00. If you can't hear the specific term, you should guess the word and a client will make the correction. No. Do some research. Yes. If you cannot find anything, mark that as inaudible or unintelligible with the specified time. Yes. Guys, these questions, they're just like that. They're easy, 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 easy. Therefore, you confirm it. After you have passed your grammar test, you'll be brought here for apply for transcriber position. Here, you listen to the audio and type whatever you have listened to here. Okay? That's it, guys. After you have listened to the video and you have typed your answer and you have transcribed it, it will bring you to a point of send it for review. After you press send to review, you shall see this message. Thank you for applying. Reviewing process can take up to 30 days. Guys, all the best and I know you will get it. Okay? Thank you for watching. Transcribe. Remember to transcribe, guys. Thank you.